Hi, boys and girls. I want to say a big thank you for everyone who sent me their brochure planning page. Well, this week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you are going to be working on turning your planning page into a brochure. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to get a piece of paper. If you have a blank piece of paper, that's great. If not, you can use lined paper. And you are going to fold it into three. So it will look like this. So you have 1, 2, 3 sections, and then you also have 1, 2, 3 sections on the back. When you're folding, I want you to make sure that the opening is on the right hand side. On your very first portion of your paper, you are going to write the title. My title happens to be Visit the Tranquil Island of Cayman Brac. So you're going to look back into your planning page and write your title. After you have done that, you're going to open up to the second portion of your paper. And you're going to look back into your planning page and you are going to write your opening based on your planning page. Remember, we said our opening should describe the location of Cayman Brac towards other places. My opening says Cayman Brac is the second largest island making up the Cayman Islands. Located only a 1-hour plane ride from Miami, Florida, this 14 square mile island is a must to explore. And notice that I emphasize the word must by underlining it. After you have written your opening, you're going to open up, that would be your third portion, and you are going to look at your first reason why people should visit Cayman Brac. And you're going to write that as your subtitle. So my first reason was the beautiful limestone bluff. Under your subtitle, you're going to write at least 3 sentences to describe your subtitle. So mine says, unique to Cayman Brac is our limestone bluff. Go to its highest point at 140 feet, look down at the deep blue ocean, walk its nature trails, and look for our stunning booby birds. With this breathtaking view, the bluff is a must-see. And once again, I emphasize some words by underlining it. Another way to emphasize words is to write it in all capital letters. But speaking about capital letters, when you are doing your subtitles, I would like each word to start with a capital letter. If you notice, beautiful starts with a capital letter, limestone starts with a capital letter, and bluff starts with a capital letter. So at least 3 sentences to go along with your reason. Looking back in your planning page, find your second reason and put that as your next subtitle. My next subtitle is Crystal Clear Waters. And I wrote my at least 3 sentences to go along in the fourth portion of my brochure. Have you ever swam in water so clean you could see fish swimming by? Our warm waters are perfect for snorkeling, diving, or just for a simple relaxing swim. Have little ones? Our white sandy beaches are wonderful to play in. Come and build sand castles with us today. And I'm sure you remember that Miss Miranda told you that a way to grab your reader's attention is to ask questions. My last subtitle, or my last reason why people should visit Cayman Brac, is because we have scrumptious, tasty local foods. And if you notice, scrumptious, tasty, local, and foods all start with a capital letter. And I wrote my 3 sentences or more to go along with it. Everyone loves to eat, and I guarantee you that our chefs will have your taste buds going. They specialize in local Caribbean dishes such as salt beef and beans, salt fish and ackee, and escovitch fish, but also cater to our American, Chinese, Italian, etc. lovers. There are foods and Cayman brat for all. Then, on your sixth portion, the last portion, you are going to look back into your planning page and you are going to write your closing. The closing reminds the reader why we wrote the brochure. This would have been in your planning page. Mine says, these are only a few reasons why you should visit the lovely island of Cayman Brac. I am sure you are now convinced. I guarantee you, once you visit the Brac, you will always be back. So that's my closing. And then if you fold it up, you have your brochure. So once again, you're going to divide your paper into 6 portions. You're going to fold it into 3, into thirds, okay, to make 6. 3 on the front, 3 on the back. And then you're going to do your title, your opening, your 3 subtitles, the words starting with capital letters, then at least 3 sentences to go along with each subtitle, your closing. And if there is room, you can even draw illustrations. So for example, maybe on the cover, you might want to draw the island Cayman Brac. Maybe from my opening, I could draw a map showing where Miami and Cayman Brac is. This one, I may want to draw the bluff, or I might want to draw the booby birds. This one, I may want to draw the ocean with children playing in the sand. This one, I might want to draw some food. Oh man, I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. And this one, you could draw something that is special to Cayman Brac. Okay? Now, I am going to send this brochure along with a checklist to your moms and your dads, okay, that can help while you are creating your brochure. But I am reminding you that this is only an example. You are to use your planning page to come up with your own ideas. Okay, I can't wait to see your finished product. Remember, this is what you're going to be working on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And Thursday starts your Easter vacation. So I look forward to seeing your finished brochures. Take care, boys and girls.